We usually think of aging as the unavoidable passing of time, but biologically speaking, getting older is a mechanical process, the steady accumulation of microscopic wear and tear, metabolic stress, and daily damage to our DNA. To counter this constant cellular decay, human biology relies on a built-in defense system. This system is managed by a specific family of longevity proteins called sirtuins. These sirtuins function as a cellular maintenance crew. Their role is to oversee genetic repair, regulate cellular inflammation, and shield DNA from the microscopic impact of our environment. This reveals a specific mechanical reality. Because our cells possess specialized proteins designed to fix damage, aging occurs when these repair systems can no longer keep pace with the wear and tear they were built to manage. The reason these systems fail is due to a strict biological limitation. Sirtuins cannot operate on their own. They have a non-negotiable dependency on cellular fuel. That required fuel source is a coenzyme called nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, or NAD+. This chart tracks the availability of that fuel over time. Natural NAD+ concentrations experience a massive crash by the time an individual reaches middle age, causing sirtuin activity to drop alongside it. As this fuel supply disappears, sirtuins become dormant. They lose the ability to repair microscopic damage, allowing genetic deterioration to accelerate. The physical symptoms we associate with getting older are the macroscopic result of this fuel shortage shutting down our cellular protectors. To understand how to fix this shortage, we have to look at how NAD+ works. Its mechanical role is to facilitate the transfer of electrons during metabolism, essentially powering the engine of the cell. When NAD+ levels drop, electron transfer becomes less efficient, leading to a decrease in cellular energy production. This is why we experience the unexplained physical fatigue common in middle age. This same metabolic deficit affects the brain, which consumes 20% of the body's total energy. Slower neuronal signaling from a lack of NAD+ is a primary driver of brain fog and cognitive stress. Restoring vitality requires a single biological intervention, replenishing the NAD+ supply, so the sirtuin machinery has the fuel it needs to resume maintenance. Nicotinamide riboside, commercially known as Niagen, is a highly efficient precursor designed to naturally elevate those systemic NAD+ levels. This flowchart compares Niagen to standard forms of vitamin B3, like niacin. While they share a lineage, their paths through the cell are very different. Standard B3 must pass through multiple complex metabolic steps. These steps act as bottlenecks, limiting how much NAD+ is actually produced, and often causing side effects like skin flushing. The Niagen precursor is built to bypass these specific biological bottlenecks, moving through the metabolic pathway with much higher efficiency. Because it avoids this metabolic friction, Niagen provides the cell with a direct, high-volume supply of the raw materials needed to synthesize NAD+. Niagen provides the specific chemical input required to return sirtuin proteins to an active, functional state. When NAD+ levels are restored, the body undergoes a chronological sequence of benefits. Within 2 to 4 weeks, clinical observations show a restoration of mitochondrial health and electron transport efficiency. This improves natural cellular energy production, providing physical stamina without the subsequent crashes associated with caffeine or sugar. Between 4 and 8 weeks, the increase in cellular fuel enhances brain cell metabolism, supporting faster neuronal signaling and sharper mental focus. Daily consistency allows sirtuins to remain fully fueled, where they can continuously manage cellular inflammation and repair accumulated DNA damage. By stabilizing this fuel supply, the cellular environment shifts into a state where active maintenance becomes the baseline operational mode. Longevity research highlights one primary reality: NAD+ optimization is not a permanent change. It requires ongoing consistency. If the regimen is halted, the coenzyme concentrations in your cells gradually drain back down to the deficient, age-adjusted baseline seen on this meter. Nutritional wellness is a methodical process. It depends on providing your physiological systems with high-quality chemical inputs every single day. Whether a person is 25 or 75, their cells follow the same biological rules. Both require the same premium raw materials to thrive and repair themselves under stress. By integrating these precursor protocols into a daily routine, individuals can directly influence the biological factors that dictate how their cells age over time.